Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti. I am from BCom Honors. Today I am gonna present about wages concept. Meaning of wage. The term wage can be defined as the sum of money paid under the contract by the employer to its employee for the service rendered. Basically, it is the payment to workers for its assistance to the production. It is also defined as the remuneration paid by the employer to the laborer for his service hired on the condition of hourly, daily, weekly, and fortnightly payment. Concepts of wages. There are three concepts: minimum wages, fair wages, living wages. Minimum wage. According to justice, a minimum wage is that irreducible wage which should enable the workers to get the basic necessities of life. The minimum wage should provide not merely for basic consistence of life but for the preservation of the efficiency of the workers by providing some measures of education and medical requirements. In fixing the minimum wage, it is important to consider both the need of the workers and the capacity of the industry to pay. It is to be fixed on the basis of the region as well as on the basis of the various categories like skilled workers, unskilled workers, and semi-skilled workers. In India, Minimum Wage Act 1948 has been passed by the government to fix the minimum wage in certain employment. Fair wage. It is the amount of wage between the minimum wage and living wage. That it is a wage which is higher than minimum wage but lower than the living wage. While fixing the fair wage, the productivity of laborer, prevailing rates of wage, level of national income, and capacity of the industry to pay must be taken into account. Living wage. The concept of living wage means to be linked with economic condition of the country and size of the family. A wage should not only provide for food, clothing, and shelter but also for some frugal comfort of the life. Good education to children, some amusement, and provision for sickness and old age, including some measures of social security. Thus, this is the wage which encourages employee to put forth his best. Living wage is more than the concept of minimum wage. Such a wage is determined keeping in view the national income and paying capacity of industrial sector. The committee also observed that since the national income did not support the payment of living wage, it should be implemented in three phases. The initial stage, the wage to be paid to the entire working class, wage to be established and stabilized. In the second phase, fair wage to be established in the community and industry. In this final phase, the working class was to be paid the living wage. Thank you.